Good morning students. In last video, I have taught you exercise 8b how to find out HCF by listing method. Today, I will teach you find out HCF by prime factor method and division method. Question number 6. Find the HCF of following numbers by prime factor method. In this method also we will find out factors of each number, but in this way. How? First of all, we will write number 75 like this. Now we will choose smallest prime number which can divide 75 exactly. We know that 75 can be divided by 3 and 5, both the numbers. But in this method, we always choose smallest prime number, that is 3. How to divide? We can do rough inside. 3 2 ja 6, 7 minus 6 equal to 1, and we will write next number 5 and 3 5 ja 15. What will be the quotient we will write here? I repeat, smallest prime number which we will select, we will write here. After division, what would be the quotient we will write here? Quotient of 75 and 3 is 25. That's why we will write 25 here. Again, 25 can be divided by 5. 5 5 ja 25. What is the quotient of 25? That is 5. We will write here. And 5 1 ja 5. Now number is 125, and we know that 125 can be divided by 5. 5 2 ja 10 and 5 5 ja 25. What is the quotient? That is 25. We will write here. And 5 5 ja 25 and 5 1 ja 5. Now we will write factors of each number. 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. 3 5 ja 15 and 15 5 ja 75. Similarly, 125. Factors of 125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 ja 25 and 25 5 ja 125. Now we have to find out HCF. What is HCF? Highest common factor. First of all, we will compare the first factor. 3 is the factor of 75 and the first factor of 125 is 5. Both are not common. Next 5. We can see 5 is the factor of 75 and this 5 is also factor of 125. That's why this 5 is common. We will write 5 here. Again, next 5 is common. We will write 5 here by putting multiply sign in between. Now 5 5 ja 25. It means HCF of 75 and 125 is 25. Next B, 24, 54 and 16. Now factors of 24, and we know that 24 can be divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. What is here? 12. 2 6 ja 12. 2 3 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. Similarly 54. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 7 ja 14. How? You can do rough inside. 2 2 ja 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. And we will write next digit. Now new number is 14. 2 7 ja 14. That's why 27 will be here. Now 27 can be divided by 3. 3 9 ja 27. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. Now 16. 2 3 ja 6 and 0. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 5 ja 10. 3 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5. Write factors of all number. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. We will write factors with multiply sign. Similarly 54. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 and 16. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now we will find out HCF. HCF means highest common factor. You can see first 2 is common in all number. So we will write 2 here. Next 2 is not factor of all number. And this 2 is also not factor of all number. Now this 3 is factor of 24, 54 and 60 also. So we will write 3 by putting multiply sign in between. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and 6 is the HCF of 24, 54 and 60. Now see, numbers are 63, 70 and 98. We will solve C just like A and B. Factors of 63, and we know that 63 divided by 3. 3 2 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. Here 21. 3 7 ja 21 and 7 1 ja 7. Similarly 17. 2 3 ja 6 and 2 5 ja 10. I have told you, if you will get problem to write directly, you can do rough inside. 2 3 ja 6, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. We will write next digit, that is 10. Now 2 5 ja 10. So we will write 35 here. Now 5 7 ja 35 and 7 1 ja 7. Next 98. How to divide 98 by 2? 2 4 ja 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Next digit 8 becomes 18. 2 9 ja 18. So we will write 49 here. And 49 can be divided by 7. 7 7 ja 49. Now 7 1 ja 7. Now write factors of all number. 63 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7. 70 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7. And 98 is equal to 2 into 7 into 7. Now we can see 3 is the factor of 63 but not factor of 70, 98. So we will not write. Next 3 is also factor of 63 but not factors of others two number. Now this 7 is factor of 63, 70 and 98 also. So we will write 7 here. Except 1 7 there is no any number which is common. That's why HCF of the given number is 7. Now D. Factors of 112. 2 5 ja 10 and 2 6 ja 12. How to find out? I have done rough there. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 8 ja 16. How to divide 56 by 2? And 2 7 ja 14. 7 1 ja 7. Next 210. How to divide 210 by 2? Let's see. 2 1 ja 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Put there cross. And write down next digit 1. And 1 is less than 2. So 2 zeros are 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Write down next digit 0. 2 5 ja 10. That's why we will write 105 here. And 105 can be divided by 3. How? Let's see. 3 3 ja 9. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1 and 3 5 ja 15. Write here 35. 5 7 ja 35 and 7 1 ja 7. Next 252. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 6 ja 12. You can divide the given number by 2 in this way and you can write answer here. Similarly 2 6 ja 12 and 2 3 ja 6. 3 2 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. 3 7 ja 21 and 7 1 ja 7. Write factors of all number and we can see first 2 is common. That's why we will write 2 here. And next 2 is not factor of other two number. Next 2 is also not factor of 2 number. We can see here 7 is the number which is factor of all 3 number. That's why we will write here 7. 2 into 7. Except this 2 and this 7. There is no any number which is factor of all 3 numbers. So HCF is equal to 2 into 7 is equal to 14. And 14 is the HCF of this given number. F. Factor of 175. We will divide 175 by 5. I have done there. 5 3 are 15 and 5 5 are 25. 5 7 are 35. 7 1 are 7. 250. 2 1 are 2. 2 2 are 4 and 2 5 are 10. 5 2 are 10 and 5 5 are 25. 5 5 are 25. 5 1 are 5. Similarly 300. 2 1 are 2. 2 5 are 10 and 0. 2 7 are 14 and 2 5 are 10. 3 2 are 6 and 3 5 are 15. 5 5 are 25 and 5 1 are 5. We will write factor of each number like this. We can see this 5 is common. It is factor of 175, 250 and 300. That's why we will write here 5. And one more 5 is common. We will write next 5 by putting multiply sign in between. Now HCF 5 5 are 25. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 25 is HCF of this number. Question number 7. Find the HCF of following numbers by division method. In this question, we will find out HCF by applying division method. A. 112 and 189. We will do simple division. Out of given number, we will take smallest number as divisor and the greatest number as dividend. In this 112 is smallest and 189 is greatest. That's why it is divisor and this one is dividend. Let's divide 112 1 ja 112. After subtraction, we will get 77 as a remainder. Now, in this time, remainder will become divisor and the first divisor will become dividend. I repeat. In this method, remainder will become divisor and the first divisor will become dividend. 77 1 ja 77. After subtraction, we will get 35. Again 35 will become divisor and this divisor will become dividend. 35 2 ja 70. 77 minus 70 is equal to 7. Now this 7 will become divisor and 35 will become dividend. 7 5 ja 35. 35 minus 35, 0. We will put cross here. What is the last divisor? That is 7. That's why HCF of the given number is 7. Now B. 3 numbers are there. I have told you we always take smallest number as divisor and the number just after smallest number as dividend. We can see here 34 is the smallest number. That's why we will take it as divisor. And just after 34, what is there? 51. We will take 51 as dividend. 34 1 ja 34. 51 minus 34 is equal to 17. Now we will take 17 as divisor and this divisor as dividend. 17 2 ja 34. 34 minus 34 is equal to 0. We will put their cross. We can see here 17 divide 34 completely. Now we will take next number, that is 85. 85 will be dividend and 17 will be divisor because it is the last divisor. 17 5 ja 85. 17 divide 85 completely. That's why SCF is equal to 17. In division method, the SCF of given number will be last divisor of the number. What is the last divisor? That is 17. That's why SCF of 34, 51 and 85 is 17. Next, C. 95, 152 and 190. I have told you, first of all, we will take last two number. Among these two number, 95 will be divisor and 152 will be dividend. Let's divide 95 1 ja 95. After subtraction, we will get 57 as remainder. Now remainder will become divisor and first divisor will become dividend. 57 1 ja 57. What is remainder? 38. And 38 will become divisor and the previous divisor will become dividend. 38 1 ja 38. 19 as remainder. Now 19 will become divisor and this divisor will become dividend. 19 2 ja 38. And what is the last divisor? That is 19. Now one more number is there, that is 190. We will take 190 as dividend and last divisor as divisor. 19 1 ja 19. 0 and 19 0 ja 0. I have told you, in division method, HCF of the given number will be last divisor. The last divisor is what? That is 19. That's why HCF is equal to 19. Now D. After given number, this one is the smallest number and this one is the just more than this number. So we will take 650 as divisor and 900 dividend. 650 1 ja 650. Subtract and we will get 250 as remainder. Now 250 will become divisor and this 650 is dividend. 252 ja 500. After subtraction we will get 150 as remainder. Now it is divisor and this one is dividend. 150 1 ja 150. 100 is remainder and this 100 become divisor and this 150 will become dividend. 100 1 ja 100. After subtraction we will get 50 as remainder and we will write 100 here as dividend. 50 2 ja 100. What is the last divisor? That is 50. One more number is there. We will take 1000 as dividend and 50 as divisor. 50 2 ja 100. After subtraction we will get 0 and 50 0 0. What is the last divisor? That is 50. That's why HCF of given number is 50. Next question is F. Out of this number, this one is the smallest number and this one is the greatest. After this, we will take 738 as divisor and 1018 as dividend. 738 1 ja 738. After subtraction, we will get 342 as remainder. Now it will become divisor and this one dividend. 342 2 ja 684. After subtraction we will get 54 as remainder. Now this time it is divisor and this one is dividend. 54 6 ja 324. After subtraction 18. 18 3 ja 54. What is the last divisor? That is 18. divide this number by 18. 18 7 ja 126. After subtraction we will get 7. We will write next number 2. 18 4 ja 72. Now what is the last divisor? That is 18. That's why HCF of this number is 18. It is your homework for today. Keep practice at home. Thank you.